If you find yourself squinting at your phone or holding it at arm's length, or you've ever been afraid to open settings because you might break something, this one is for you. Today we're going to make your phone easier to see, easier to hear, and easier to use. 4 small changes. Let's take them one at a time. First, the part that scares people. That settings app, the one with the little gear, is just a control panel. Think of it like the knobs on your stove or the dials in your car. Every single thing we touch today can be turned right back. You cannot break your phone from in here. So let go of that worry and let's begin. Change 1. Let's make the text bigger. Somewhere in your settings is a control for text size, with a small letter on one end and a big letter on the other. Slide it toward the big letter until the words feel comfortable. No more squinting and fewer mistakes when you type. As I get older, I find that a font of 24 works best for me. Change 2. Let's brighten the screen. A dim screen is hard on tired eyes, especially in a sunny room. Find the brightness control and nudge it up until everything looks clear and easy. If your eyes relax, you've got it right. Change 3. Let's turn up the ringer. So many missed calls aren't missed on purpose. The phone was just too quiet. Find your sound settings and bring the ringer up so you always hear the people who matter. Then test it. Have someone call you or set an alarm and make sure it's loud enough for the next room. Change 4. Let's tidy the home screen. Your phone came covered in apps you'll never use, and the few you love are buried. Press and hold an app and you can move it. Bring the ones you actually use, your phone, your messages, your camera, the way you call family, right to the front where your thumb can find them. Tuck the rest away. You don't have to delete a thing, just move it. And that's 4 small changes. A phone that fits you instead of you bending to fit it. No squinting, no missing calls, no hunting for the app you need. So here's what I'd love you to do. Pick just one of these and change it today. Then, if you know someone who's been fighting with their phone, send them this video. We don't have to put up with technology. That's hard to see. That's what this channel is for. I'll see you next time.